Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I would love for you to stay a while by clicking that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you don't miss another video. And today's video is another quick and easy DIY, so go ahead and keep on watching if you want to see what I made today. First off, I am starting with this box that I just had around my house. I just decided to cut the flaps because I wanted to make a display box. Once it was cut up, I took it outside and gave it a nice coat of spray paint. I am using the Rustoleum Metallic Silver. After spray painting it inside and out, I used some ModPodge on the edge because I wanted to add mirrors to the middle and also on the flap, and the fine glitter I added on the edges just to kind of create a frame for the mirror. And on the top flap, I added the ModPodge and repeated the process with the glitter in the mirror. Next, I took a crystal knob and added that to the top as a handle, and some chandelier jump rings as a way to keep the top open. Then I have this cuttable mirrored reflective cardboard thing that I found on Amazon, and it's very nice because it looks just like mirror. And all I did was cut the pieces so that I could put in the front. I did use hot glue for this. Make sure your hot glue is on the lowest temperature setting. Once everything was done, here's a final look. So I just added some flowers on the inside of this and some candles, but you can use it for just about anything. You can use it to display your perfumes or anything else. For the next DIY, I'm just going to be making a perfume bottle. I'm using one of the storage bins from the Dollar Tree, well, storage boxes, clear storage boxes, and then these small mirrors that I've used in previous DIYs before. I just hot glued that to the front, then I cleaned it off and added a totally dazzled brooch just to give it some bling, and then I use a different type of crystal knob. Also, I will link that below at the top as a bottle top. And then next to it, I just did a small little floral arrangement. Used one of the Dollar Tree vases that are square, and I added a bow to it and some crystal, they're like crystal rocks or something that they carry, and I added that on the inside and topped it off with some roses. Here's the final look with everything together. Again, the box can be used to display just about anything you'd like. Here I have everything all together, including the perfume bottle or perfume bottle and the floral arrangement. Really love the way this turned out. Super blingy, super sparkly. I hope you guys liked it too. If you did, let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. And also, don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Follow me on social media if you don't already do. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. God bless and bye-bye.